Sonic, is this such a peaceful night? Yeah, it's just nice seeing the dark, starry sky outside. It's pretty nice that we still got this Sony DVD player and the Blu-ray player. Yeah, because physical media might be becoming hard to find because of streaming services. Yeah, I know. So what should we do now? I don't know. Sonic, what the heck was that? I don't know. Oh my goodness, you got the hiccups? Yes, I got the hiccups. Oh man, you've been hiccuping almost a lot, I think. I know, but how do I get rid of the hiccups? You know what? Let's just try to think of something to get rid of your hiccups.
20 minutes later.
Sonic, it's been 20 minutes. I tried everything I could to get rid of your hiccups. I tried scaring you from behind your back. I tried to give you some sugar to eat. And I even tried splashing you with water. But nothing I tried works. I know. What are we going to do now? I don't know. But I think I'm just going to take a nap. Sonic, no, don't take a nap right now. Wait a minute. I'm gonna put up the Paramount DVD logo. That's gonna get rid of his hiccups for sure. I am such a genius. Is there anything in there? No. We are good to go. Alright. Hopefully that'll get rid of his hiccups. Oh no, that can't be what I think it is. That was priceless! Wait a second. You did this? Yeah, what are you gonna do about it? Ow, Sonic, what was that for? You idiot! This is what you get for traumatizing me with a Paramount DVD logo! Sonic, your hiccups are gone! Oh, I guess you're right, Tails. I shouldn't have beat you up. I'm such an idiot for doing that. Yeah, and you better not have done that. I just cannot believe you would beat me up over such a scary, stupid logo. Oh, crud.